Hi, today we're going to learn about method return types. First, let's type in system.out.println. Then let's add in a method. This public static double method 1 return 1.2. So anytime you have a type as a method, you have to return a value of the same type. For example, 1.2 is a double and is returned because the method here is a double. And let's return this into our print line here. Let's run this program. Okay. And as you can see, there's 1.2 in our console. So here, method 1 returns 1.2 into our print line. And let's make another example. Double x equal to method 1, and print line is going to print out x. Here x is equal to method 1. So method 1 is going to return 1.2 into x. And then x is going to be printed out by the system. Let's run this program. Here 1.2 is printed out. You can also do this for a string, for example, public static string method 2 return a string. Let's run this code with method 2 in the print line. And here a string value is returned. So with method, the return value has to be the same type as the method type, the return type. And this is it for today. And remember to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.